HighLevel Harris, the best affiliate on the planet. Now, today I'm going to tell you how we do the call connect automation. This automation is super cool. So basically, essentially what happens, so this is one of the best things you can upsell to clients or even do for yourself, is that whenever any lead fills out a form, puts the information in, or any single trigger, what we can do is message them straight away, ask a question. If they don't reply, we can connect the call between them and us, just so we re-engage the lead back in. So let me show you how to do that. First things first, go into your sub account, then go to phone numbers, then come here, edit configuration, and then you want to enable call connect feature, okay? Press that and press save. I'm going to showcase this automation from the Fast 5. You can obviously use the same principles for your own. So I'm just going to choose Fast 5 and go from there. So this is how it's going to work. Here's my website. It's got everything that HighLevel does. If you want this website, if you join my affiliate, you get all these benefits here, which includes a snapshot for my website. You can change the logos around, change what says LMX to your own company, etc. So once someone clicks this and wants to watch the demo, this demo form fills out. Now, if someone fills this demo out, what I want to happen is that means they're showing interest. So I want the automation now, the trigger, to be that form. So let's do that. Form submitted. Let's add filters. Form is demo form. Press save, and we can send them an SMS. Now in this SMS, you want to ask them a question ideally. So you can say something like this: hey, it was Harris from LMX. How did you find the software demo? Press save. Now let's wait for 2 minutes for them to reply. You do that, just type in wait, blah blah blah, 2 minutes. Now we need to see if they reply. So did they reply to the thing? Contact replied true and none branch. That's what we need. So you do that, you get that if you type in if else. You come here and then copy what this is right here. So this is if the contact did reply. This is if they didn't. Now, if they didn't, this is what we're going to call connect. So timeout, you want it to be around 20 seconds. Now, you can disable voicemail. Just for simplicity, I'll just leave it off for now. Just for simplicity, it could cause a lot of problems. I think just keep it off. So keep that off. Now, this is what you call whisper you want to hear. So let's say you're selling this to another business that they can use this. You want to say you got a new lead from your own business name, so LMX. Press any key to connect with your new lead. And then it'll say their name, whatever John, whatever name. Okay, so save that. So now, if they don't reply to the SMS after 2 minutes, it's gonna connect a phone call to the lead, potential lead, and the business owner, which could be us or whoever you're selling it to, and it'll say this. Then they'll press the keypad, press any key, then it'll send the call between both leads, and they can go from there. Then you obviously can upload a voicemail if you want. After, then you can go again, wait a day, and then reignite it. If they did reply, what you can do now is this branch here is one branch. Now we can do another branch if they did reply. So do another if else. Was the reply positive? So HighLevel has like an AI thing where they can see if the message is positive. If they said, okay, yeah, I did see that, etc. If it was positive, which you just do another if else here, intent type positive. If it was, you can send them a booking link, whatever you want to do, send an SMS. If it wasn't, you can send an internal notification. I don't recommend doing email SMS, do notification, which pings your Lead Connector mobile app. If you don't have the Lead Connector mobile app, download it on the App Store, Google Play Store, and sign in with the same credentials as you do with HighLevel. It's like the whole system in your phone. I've made videos on it, so make sure you watch that. Talking on videos, my playlist on my YouTube channel here, I've literally got the best playlist on YouTube for HighLevel. So like learning, getting started, learning websites, contacts, automations, blah blah blah, all there. So be sure you go watch that. And that's essentially how it will work. Now, you don't want the call connect to be happening at 2 a.m. if someone's ringing you from like a different state or whatever. So what you can do is have time specific times where this automation will function. Okay, so you can do that as well for your clients. Also, if you want this to be to a specific person, so whose phone you want this to ring to, if you sign this to a user, so for example me right now, if you don't know how to, if no one shows up when you put in user, put in the comments, I'll tell you how to do that. But I'm assuming you do know. Assign to user, and then whatever that user's number is in their own account, it will ring that number. So that's essentially how it will work. Press save, Test it out. If you've got any questions, make sure you publish it as well here, then press save. Okay, so please like the video, helps me out, and subscribe if you want to. So yeah, if you want a 30-day free trial, you can start high level. Costs the same as going to an affiliate or not. If you go to an affiliate, you get all the perks. So 30-day free trial. Use that wisely, and yeah, see you on the Zoom calls.